Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can calculate lot size for Forex using Myxbook tools and simple math. So before starting, you will have to know your account balance, your risk percentage per trade, stop loss in pips, and the pairs pip value. And yeah, first you will decide your risk percent. For example, 1% of account, then you will multiply account balance to the risk percent to get your money at risk. Example, $10,000 multiplied by 0.01, which is $100. Next, you will determine stop loss in pips. For example, 50 pips, and you will find pip value per one standard lot for the pair. For USD pairs, and then $10 per pip per standard lot. For others, calculate using contracts specs. So you will use this formula, which is right here. The lot size equals money at risk divided by stop loss in pips, and then multiply by pip value. For example, $100 divided by 50 pips multiply by $10 equals 0.2 lots. So yeah, you can like this trade in my FX books or journal or use external calculators. My FX books displays trade sizes once you connect your account so you can verify your lot sizing history. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.